welcome back to my channel. This is the part 2 of the tutorial on how to make this shirt dress. If you haven't watched the part 1 of how I showed you how to cut the fabric, do check it out in the description box and click on the I button that will be on your screen. And yeah, that's it. Keep on watching the tutorial, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, tell me if you found it useful, ask me questions, suggest video ideas, share this video, you know, just do the whole shebang and show some love, okay? So that's it. That's what I have to say. Really, keep on watching the tutorial and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. If you followed the fabric cutting tutorial I did, these are the pieces you should have. One back piece on the fold, 2 front pieces with a button placket, 2 sleeves, 2 collars with 1 collar interfacing. Start off by prepping the pieces. Prep the collar by ironing the interfacing on the wrong side of one of the collar pieces. After ironing, trim off the excess interfacing around the collar edges. Place the collar right sides together and pin. You are going to join the collar together by sewing with a straight stitch, starting from one curved end to the other and leaving the button open. Next is prepping the front button placket. Press in the 1.5 button placket with left to the wrong side like so. Afterwards, fold about 1/4 inch under the placket for a clean finish. Measure as you go along to ensure that you're not taking any more fabric than needed. Pin these and sew with a straight stitch really close to the edge. You can also sew on the center front as well. Do the same for the other front piece. After prepping, the sewing can begin. I start off by sewing the collar. After sewing, trim off the collar seams and turn to the right side and press with an iron. Then I went ahead to sew the front placket. To join the front and back pieces together, place the front and back together right sides facing and pin at the shoulders. Then sew with a straight stitch at the shoulder. It's time to attach the collar now, so find the midpoint of the collar if you forget to notch like I do. Pin this midpoint of the collar to the center back to ensure that the attachment will be even on both sides. Continue pinning around the collar. Ensure that you pin the center front really close to the end of the collar so that there won't be any gap when you turn the collar over. After pinning, join with a straight stitch. I like to clip the curved edges to ensure that the seam lays flat after turning, but be careful not to nip so close to the stitch. Fold in half an inch seam allowance under the collar like so, and then pin. To finish this, you can either hand sew or sew in the ditch like I did. Place the center front of the sleeve on the shoulder seam, ensuring that the sleeve is in the right direction. Then pin the front sleeve to the front armhole and do the same for the back. You need to pin this properly to make sure that the sleeves fit into the armhole perfectly. Then sew with a straight stitch. Close the sides by pinning right sides together. Join by sewing one long stitch along the sides, including the sleeves. The last few steps are fixing the button and making the buttonholes. I will make a separate video on how I make buttonholes on my machine, but for now I will show you how to attach the buttons. I spaced my buttons 2 inches apart. This is how I attach the button. Thread a hand needle and make a knot at the end of the thread. Pass the needle up and through a buttonhole, and then into the second buttonhole, and back down into the fabric. Repeat this about 4 times until the button is well secured, and then tie a knot under the button. After fixing the button, I mark the buttonhole like so. And then the last step is to hem the bottom of the dress. I folded this twice by first folding in half an inch and then an inch over that, and then sewing with a straight stitch. And with that, the shirt dress is done, and it's really simple if you just follow the easy steps. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this tutorial helpful in learning how to make your own shirt dress with any material of your choice. Please share and like, and I would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below telling me what you'd like to see on my channel or how I can improve my videos to provide better content for you guys. Thanks again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.